Hello and welcome to my salad series. It's mango season and this video is all about on how to make a delicious spinach mango salad. Mangoes are one of the most loved fruits across the world, known for their sweet and delicious taste. And with the arrival of mango season, there is no reason not to indulge in this tropical treat. So if you are a mango lover like me, grab a seat and let's dive right into the mango season. I have taken 1 cup baby spinach here after rinsing it well. Let's start with chopping 1 ripe mango, which is my favorite fruit, into small pieces. Now I will add chopped mango into mixing bowl. Let's make our salad colorful by adding bell pepper. I have taken red bell pepper. You can choose any bell pepper, red, yellow or green. Now let's cut the bell pepper into small pieces. Adding it to mixing bowl. I have taken 1 cucumber. Let's cut it into small pieces. Now I will add these chopped cucumber into my salad. Let's dice red onion finely. I have used half red onion here. Adding it to the salad. Next step is adding parsley to the salad. I have taken a bunch of parsley. You can also use coriander instead of parsley. Let's add it to our salad. I have taken couple of mint leaves. I'm chopping them into small pieces. Adding mint flavor to the salad. To make the homemade dressing, adding 3 tablespoons of lemon juice squeezed from the lemon. Two tablespoons extra virgin olive oil. Half teaspoon salt. And half teaspoon red chili powder. Mix it well. Let's drizzle our homemade dressing over the salad. I am adding some walnuts to the salad to give it a crunchy flavor and some pumpkin seeds. This salad is bursting with flavor using juicy and sweet mangoes combined with fresh and nutrient-rich spinach. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.